Today we're learning how to make this animated folder slide in PowerPoint all the way from scratch. We'll look at how to create this as well as the animation. If you want to follow along, here's the color palette I have used. Let's start from a blank slide. Right-click and select Format Background. Go to Color, then click More Colors, and enter the hex code I'm showing on the screen. Now go to the Insert tab, click on Icons, search for Files, select this icon and insert it. Now go to Graphics Format at the top and select Convert to Shape. Then go to Shape Format and set the dimensions to 5.4 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Place the folder on the left side of the slide like this. Go to Shape Fill and select the first purple color. Then go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now select the shape and press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Place it like this while holding Shift. Duplicate it 2 more times to make a total of 4 folders. Now select all the shapes like this and arrange them nicely. Select the second folder and apply the next shade of purple. Then do the same for the remaining 2 folders using the next colors in the palette. Now let's add some nice icons to the folders. Go to the Insert tab, search for Nature, and insert the 4 icons I'm adding randomly. Click anywhere outside to deselect them. Then select each icon one by one and place it in the center of its folder like this. Repeat the same process for all 4 folders. Now select everything and deselect the folders by holding Ctrl and left-clicking on them. Go to Graphics Format at the top and select Convert to Shape. Then go to Shape Format and give the icons some nice colors of your choice. Since the first icon blends with the folder, let's give it a white fill. Now go to Shapes and add a rounded rectangle. Place it on the first folder like this. Make it white and remove the outline. You can adjust the roundness by dragging the yellow handle. Place it in such a way that it stays inside the folder like a file. Right-click on the rectangle and select Send to Back. You can already see it starting to look amazing. Now let's add some content to it. Drag the rectangle slightly upwards like this. Go to the Insert tab, add a text box, and write your title. Arrange it like this. Center align the text. Give it the same color as the folder. Make it bold and use a nice font like Montserrat. Now add one more text box for the content. Use your own content here. I'm using dummy text as an example. Set the font size to 14, center align it, give it a nice color, and use the same font. Now select both text boxes along with the rectangle. Right-click and group them. Right-click once again and select Send to Back. Now select the grouped rectangle, hold Ctrl+Shift and drag it to the next folder while holding the left mouse button. Place it in the middle and send it to the back. Repeat the same process for the remaining folders. Now click directly on the second title and change its color. This way, you can customize both the title and the content for every folder. Now select the folder and its icon together, right-click, and group them. Repeat this for all 4 folders. Now drag the white rectangle back inside the folder while holding Shift. Do the same for all the folders. Now go to the slide preview, right-click, and duplicate the slide 4 more times. Go to the second slide and pull out the first content like this. Go to the third slide and pull out the second content. Keep following the same process for the remaining slides. Now, duplicate the first slide once again. Go back to the first slide and select all the folders along with their content. Drag them down outside the slide like this. Arrange them so that the second folder is slightly lower than the first, the third slightly lower than the second, and continue the same pattern for the last one. Now, go to Insert and add a text box. Write some dynamic text like animated. Make it white, bold, set the font size to 136, and use Bebas Nue. Center align it. Now add another text box and write Folder. Use a nice font like Sign Painter and give it an orange color. Select both text boxes, copy them, and paste them onto the second slide. Make them smaller and place them neatly at the top. Now, hold Control and select all the slides. Go to Transitions and select Morph. Let's preview. Now you know how to make this nice animated folder slide in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.